Okay, so we're really pleased to welcome you in this webinar. And Professor Samuel Branco will talk about how to program robots without using robots. It's specialized for young children. Uh, so the webinar is part of the Code for Europe project that tries to enhance
Γύρισε, Μιχάλη, Γιούλη.
EU Code
Λέω μήπως
Week.
να ακούω εγώ τώρα.
It tries to enhance EU Code Week, which takes place between 11th of October up to the 26th of October. So we're now in the running period of this event. And we're trying to bring young students to STEM, robotics, and coding, mostly. So that's the scope of this webinar, and I'll pass the floor to Samuel Branco. Thank you.
Thank you. So, in this webinar, we will use a platform, online platform that calls Lab Open Roberta. You have
Ήρθαμε για να κάνουμε ένα περιμένεις εδώ πάλι, εντάξει. Και τώρα θα της το έδειχνα να το κάνουμε μαζί, αλλά δεν έχω.
okay. I have to share my screen. I don't have rights to share my screen. Okay,
You have. Yeah.
now I have. Okay. The right link is not this now, this one. This one. You can copy into your browser and go on. I don't know if you are with your class in Greece or someone is helping the students to access the platform.
Okay, yeah. So everybody copy this link to
Okay.
your browser. Yeah.
And the browser should be like this.
Can you show a little bit more of the link? It would be
Okay, and then I just have, okay, put more bigger. I can share in the chat.
Μα φάτε για...
Where is the chat? There. Control, chat. Okay.
yes.
That platform we can use several of different type of robots, and we will use this one, Open Roberta Sim for it's a Lego AV3. Okay, please choose this one, Open Roberta Sim. You can choose after if anyone don't choose that. If you like, you can put in Greek. You can change the language. Okay, I can see that in Portugal everything is okay. I can go on, Philip.
Yes. I
Okay.
think we can, proceed.
In this session, we'll do some geometric shapes, okay, using the Lego AB3 robot. And the right side of the screen, you have the sim word. The sim word is from simulator. Right side of the screen, we have the sim word. Okay. 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 And now I'd like that you change to another scenario. There are a scenario here, like I want the name. This is for the robot follow the line. Okay, but I want to change to a scenario with nothing there. For change the scenario, we have to click with the left side of the mouse and change to this one. Okay, the scenario is white on white scenario. And the first shape we'll design is it's a square. Okay. I think that all students know that the square have four sides, all equal. It's easy, I think. Uh, for that, I have to use the pen to the robot can write. To do that, we have to click one time with the left button of the mouse here in the flash. Okay, the flash goes all black. Initial, the flash have the inside is not color, and when I click with the mouse, it goes all black. Okay. So to draw the first side of the square, I have to move a distance the robot. I go to the orange. This is like a Scratch. I don't know if you use Scratch in the Greece or in your school or in the school where the students belong. But the Scratch have this kind of programming with blocks, and they are inside of categories with different colors. Uh, Forward the distance. Okay, the first one. Okay, the first one, let the robot goes forward for a distance. I can do it by 50 centimeters. In the speed, the maximum speed is 100. Normally, the students put a big number. It's not necessary. The biggest number you can put there is 100. Okay? I don't know if in Portugal it's okay. In Greece, I don't know. But Philip, tell me if something is wrong or you need help from your side of the students.
No, I think
Okay.
it seems to be okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In the down of the simulator, we have a button that likes play. It's to start the programming. Okay. We click there and the robot advance. Go forward. Okay. Now we have a side. We need more 3 sides. The other content that the student have to know is the right angle to turn the robot. I can't talk with him or with there, but you have to think a little bit, and the right angle to turn is 9 degrees. But first, we need to put the robot in the beginning. For that, we click in the last button down in the screen, and the robot goes to the initial position. Okay, Joaquin has to do that. Okay, now I try to find the right block to turn. I need to turn right for a degree. This one is the third block in the orange category. And I put the 9 degrees. 90 degrees. I put my robot to go forward a little bit more speed. This platform works in online. For the turn, we need to put a speed, more or less speed, because the internet connection is not very stable. And normally don't turn the 9 degrees, but turn 91 or 9 or 89. And the square is not a very good square. This is a square more. Okay. Something. Okay. Now I understand that the robot do the right turn. And now, as I say at the beginning, the square have four equal side. I just have to copy and paste more 3 times these 2 blocks. I can duplicate or not. One, two, three. And if I start the program, in Portugal, they arrive. And with, I think it's easy to do that. It understand.
If anybody has questions, you can raise your hand.
Or put in the chat if you have access.
Yeah, you can write in the chat too.
The student that arrived to do the square, I'd like that to try to do a triangle. They think it's a good idea they think by themselves and try to do a triangle. I'm just waiting for if anyone have any question. But the teachers can't challenge the students to do a triangle. But I think that there are no questions. No. If you like, you can save. For that, you have to export. To save online, you have to create an account. If you want to save this program online, you have to create an account. Okay? Or you can export to your computer and save in your computer. Okay. The triangle have 3 sides. and not 4. Then I just need 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And now I have to think about the angle. If for the square it was 90, for the triangle uh, will be the angle. We have to divide the 360 by 3. And I put 120. And I will change. Beside of turn to right, it turn to left. You can put the robot or whatever you want with the mouse. Hmm. What my problem? Okay, not here, but here. Okay, no doubt. No questions?
Yeah, I have. So why are we changing the speed in when turning?
Okay, that is not a good idea because the internet connection is not every time established, and they can happen that then don't do the right angle and do something other angle, and the shape is not a good shape. I know that the
Okay.
students like that the robot works at high speed, but in the real world with the cars, we have to turn at low speed, not in high speed. I'm joking, but true. Okay, then if I want to do a shape with 10 sides or 20 sides, it's not a good idea to have to duplicate and copy and duplicate and I can use another block of programming to do that, to um, do how many times I want the same blocks. Okay? For example, if I want to do a shape with 5 sides, in Portuguese we call a pentágono, in English I don't know, pentágono, yes, it's to
Well,
be something like
Pentagon. Yeah, yeah.
pentagon, yeah, it's similar. Okay, I need for that I need the block repeat a number of times. Okay, this is in the dark orange, and you can find there repeat, and this the blue block. I can change the number. Okay, I don't know if there are some difficulties to organize the blocks, but it's just moved inside and okay. Now, if I want the 5 sides, I just open the 360 divided by 5, 72. Okay, I will put 72 there in the degrees, and I push play. Last one don't work very well. I don't know if all students understand. And 73, not 70, 72. Okay. Any questions? Can I go on? How to draw here a shape in the Open Roberta with the help of the Lego EV3. We have learned how to use the block, the repeat block.
Yeah, I don't see any hands
Questions?
raised. Yeah. So,
Okay, everything
so
is fine.
let me ask a question. So you can do this repeat also with the previous method with the angles, I guess.
Yeah,
You
I
could
use
as a
the
second.
angles,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
beside of duplicate 5 times these 2 blocks, I use the repeat block to repeat the 2 blocks 5 times. Okay? Okay. The Lego EV3 have more sensors. I can see the sensors of the robot here. Here is the program, this program, and the robot. And I can see that the robot have a touch sensor, a gyroscope, a color sensor, and the ultrasonic sensor. Okay. The color sensor is for recognize the colors that are in the ground. They are in the ground because this sensor in this platform is looking to the ground. I have the touch sensor in the front of the robot and the ultrasonic. I can show you. I don't know if you have robot EV3 in your school or not. Some image. Normally, the students construct the car. just right one. You don't have the ultrasonic, but okay. This is the touch sensor. Okay. When they touch in anything, the button go inside, and the robot knows that the sensor touch in something. This is the color sensor. Is looking for to the ground, and the ultrasonic is for to know the distance of the obstacles. Okay, they emits a sound, and the time that the sounds go and come back, the robot knows what distance is the obstacle. Okay, it's like two eyes. One send the sound, the other receive the sound, and the robot now knows about the distance of the obstacle. Okay, I have an obstacle here. I can see that the touch touch the obstacle when it comes to red color. Now it's touching, and it kind of this is the ultrasonic working. Okay, I can do the distance here. Uh, mm, I know that the obstacle is 50 centimeters of the robot. I can approach them. Now it's 17. Okay. Let's try the color sensor. Please change the scenario to the first one. Just click with the left button of the mouse, and you can go to this scenario with the line and some colors. What I am gonna do now, I will put the robot go forward forever, and when he see the yellow, he say yellow. Where the word yellow will appear, I can have a monitor here in this word EV3 in the down of the scenario, and the word yellow will appear here. And the second action, the robot will stop when see the red color. Okay. Now the first action is to move the robot. Repeat indefinitely forever. I prefer the term forever. Okay, and move. For now, the only thing that the robot do is to go in forward. The first action is when he see the yellow color right here in the monitor of the Lego AV3, the word yellow, the color. For this, I have to use a block called if and a condition. Okay, this one if, and now I can put the logic condition here. The condition will be if the color is equal to yellow, then write yellow. if the condition, okay? In the green category, I have the get color. Okay. And in the yellow category, I have the yellow color. Now I'm comparing the color that the sensor read with the color yellow. If it is true, uh, I will write yellow. In the orange, the first one, I have show text. And the text to show is yellow. Let's try. Okay, it works. Okay. And I want that the row stop at the red one. Okay, I can duplicate that block. I need another if block. And now I want to test with the red one, red color. As I have repeat forever here, uh, I have the action to stop, but it will not stop because they are inside the repeat forever. The robot stop one time, but when it goes up in the cycle, in the repeat block, it will go forward another time. I have a little trick to stop here, is to put the stop in the repeat forever, like this. Let's try. Okay. He see the red color and stop. I can have a little sound when you see the red block. Where some sounds for okay, little beep. Or you can say the color. Headache. See, turn, drive, turn, play, no, play, show here, play. Okay, more difficult to revise the. Is there? Say.
Red.
Oh, it's not a good idea. Let's stop. Any questions? They are good students. Smart students.
Yeah, it seems so.
They are liking the session or not liking. They are happy. Some
Uh,
enthusiastic.
I hope so. So yeah, we have some teachers also inside
Okay.
the webinar, so they could give us feedback.
Okay. Philip, I have to go out at 4:25. Okay? In 10 minutes.
Okay.
If I can then, for finish, I can explain how to follow the line. Now they know how to use the color sensor. They can try to follow the line. They need to use the if block. Okay, I will start to explain how to follow the line. It's a simple program, but it works. Okay. The robot will not really following the line. It is do the idea that the following he's following the line and he don't following the line. What you'll do is if the robot see black, uh, turn. Sorry. Oh, I have to refresh. Oh, I will lose my program. If the robot see the black color, turn right. If see the white color, turn left. Okay. If the color is black, we'll turn. Turn. Steer. Let's just turn right. Turn right. Turn right. If see the white color, turn left. With a simple program, I can do a line follower. And the Portuguese class stop at 20 past uh, 4. Okay, you get, as you can see, the Open Roberta is a good platform to know how to programming some sensors. And we don't need to have the real robot, but we can try and simulate some situations and learn with programming and how the robot works. And, the best situation we have to have the robot to try. First, we can train in the simulator and then try with the real robot. It's more funny. But I think it's a good platform.
I agree. Yeah, it's easy to get into programming since it has on the left side of the actions in brackets. So it's easy to have a first step
The
in to
students
the
have to
program.
understand only the if statement and the repeat block, and then it's logical. It's like do something in the cuisine. And you put blocks, you can try, and it don't work, you can change the blocks. We don't break anything. We can is everything okay? Can try how many times when we want. I hope that the session is a good session and that your students learn something. Um,
Yeah, I think it's helpful, and it's a good it was a good way to see new things for people who didn't know how
yeah,
to
for the first
first.
steps.
Yeah,
First
for the
steps.
first. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You can change the row. There are others here. Maybe you know Arduino, microbit, maybe microbit, the little ones. They have the mbot, where I think that the mbot is the most new that everyone know about. Questions? Eleni.
You can raise your hand or even write in the chat if you have
Okay.
any
Question.
question.
Portuguese team is out.
I'm not seeing any questions, so yeah.
Tomorrow they will have some questions tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay, so I think we can conclude
Conclude.
the meeting. Yeah.
Thank you
Uh,
for the invitation, Philip.
Thank you for the presentation. It was interesting. It is a nice way
I
to see
promise
the.
to replicate again. Samuel, I have many people in schools that they're waiting for you, but during morning time, if it's
Okay.
possible.
You can try another time with the morning time. I don't have class in the Wednesday and the Tuesday in morning.
Okay, we'll arrange together with Philip. Philip will do that, yes. And many thanks for the management of our project.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much, all of you.
And
It was nice participating in this webinar.
thank you. I have I don't know. Thank you for
Thanks,
everything.
thanks for
Okay.
the presentation.
Say
Thank you.
something,
Thank
someone.
you again.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you for your participation, everybody.
Thank you. See you in the next time.
Bye bye. Thank you,
Okay,
Samuel.
bye-bye.
Thank you all.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.